Alright, so as you can see, the finished sneaker wall is behind me. I'm super happy with the results. Basically, I did this because I wanted to have 11 shelves behind instead of the 7. Equals 176 shoes that I could put on display with the gaps in between on each side. So part of you guys are probably wondering why I put the gaps there in the first place. Honestly, I don't know quite how I'm going to organize the shoes as of right now, but the ones down the middle column that I kind of put there are the top 4, I guess, for all of the different categories that I have. So I figured that would be one way that I could kind of separate the columns. I know they're a little bit uneven. There's more on this side than there is on this side, but I may go away from the columns and actually just do them all across rows and then have no spacing and maybe just color code them left to right, like white to black. But leave a comment in the comment section. How should I organize this sneaker wall? It's honestly overwhelming, to say the least, because I still have probably 100 pairs over here on the side that I still need to organize. So actually all of the old shelves that I have are gonna go on this wall and this wall, and then I'm just gonna repurpose them, and that way I can have no boxes in here. The boxes, I have a little door down here that go in the attic, and that's just the storage for the boxes. So that's kind of it though, but I wanted to show you guys the evolution, I guess, of the room. It's not anything too crazy, but it's the most Lack shelves I've ever seen put together in one video, and so I figured I'd upload this video for you guys that were interested in seeing the transformation of the video. And if you guys did like the video, please give the video a like. It took obviously a ton of effort to time-lapse everything, all of like 2 days basically to get it all in line. Also, one more thing, the LEDs that are there are actually left over from my last set. I have these new ones that I'm going to put up instead though. I'll link them in the description. Not too expensive, but definitely an upgrade from what I have. It allows me to have like a cycle through of the lights and just kind of a fade effect, and I can do that with these ones. I just can't figure it out. So these ones I think are going to be better. It's kind of like an upgraded version of the ones that I have. It's kind of interesting the way it works now, because you can see I can just control it in 3 different sections. Probably not the ideal scenario, but it is what it is. It's kind of what I had to do to make it work. And I just like the LEDs because it gives a little bit of more backlight. Otherwise, there's a lot of shadows on the shelves. So that's mostly the reason why I have the LEDs. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and this video cost me a lot of money. And shout out to Lena, because she's the one that actually mentioned to get these type of shelves instead of the other ones that I had. The Lack standing shelves that I had are great, except for when you put them all together, it just looks like terrible teeth put together in a mouth. Like none of them were uniform. And the shelves across were not even, so it just was not a good look. I have some more shelves down here that I'm gonna build up this side wall over here. The last thing is, a lot of people are asking me where my Adidas Ultra Boost are. The Ultra Boost are in the boxes over here still, and also functionally I wear them all the time, so they're in my garage. So I still have a ton of Ultra Boosts that I haven't displayed yet. I got to repurpose some of this stuff here, clear room for the Ultra Boost and some of the other shoes in the boxes. Once I get everything else set up in the room, I'll give you guys like a full room tour. If you guys want to see that, leave a like on the video. But yeah, it's a work in motion. It's just fun to be able to upgrade sort of stuff like this, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. And just giving you a heads up, you should check back soon, because I have a crazy Adidas haul. I have 5 bags that I bought. It's my biggest Adidas employee store haul ever. So I have that video coming to you guys in the next day or 2 as well. So subscribe, stay tuned, and be on the lookout for that video. Anyways, have a good one. More videos soon. Peace, guys.